Hello, welcome to the first Talenthouse Warrior Cats Spark AR tutorial. My name's Anthony Hagan and I'm CEO designer of a company called Aug-It. I've been working with Talenthouse on the Warrior Cats project for some time now. The idea behind it was to put out a competition to the Talenthouse community to find artists, 3D modelers, designers to take the Warrior Cats brand and turn it into an interactive augmented reality experience for Instagram. We ran a competition on Talenthouse and we found our winner, Marcio Rabelo, who will be joining me on this tutorial. We're going to take his beautiful 3D Warrior Cats masks and we're going to turn them into an interactive experience for Instagram.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Marcio Rabelo. I am from Brazil. I am a 3D artist and I have been working as a professional for at least 4 years. I work for small animation studios here and I'm specialized in characters and creatures. Augmented reality is something incredible and new for me, and when I discovered what I could do by mixing 3D modeling with augmented reality, I know it was time to try something, and that was what I did, participating in a creative contest of Warrior Cats. This is an incredible opportunity and I am having the chance to learn and even specialize in something new like augmented reality.
So in this tutorial we'll be covering the Spark AR user interface briefly. We'll be looking at segmentation so we can import our lovely backgrounds into the effect. We'll be looking at importing 3D models, how to track them to the face. We'll also be looking at how to texture your 3D assets in Spark AR. We'll be moving on to particle emitters, which is a feature we use quite heavily in this experience. If we go through, we can look at the different effects in the background. We'll also be looking at the UI picker and the Spark AR patch editor. The UI picker is a patch that we can add these lovely little icons at the bottom so we can flick between scenes. So I'm now going to hand you over to Marcio, who's joining us live from Brazil. He'll be building the effect in sections on his end, and we'll be kind of going back, talking about each section and trying to give an idea of how we take an artistic idea and we turn it, using the Spark AR program, into a beautiful Warrior Cats experience with Talenthouse. First things first, we're going to play with segmentation. What's great is Spark already has a few template projects which we've got here. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to add some assets. Now obviously we've got our assets folder that has the Warrior Cats artwork in it. So if you pop down to the bottom left of your screen, click on Add Asset.
Okay. Import from
you go to the Warrior Cats folder and we can look at some backgrounds. So let's go with Firestar BG.
Can open?
Yeah, import it.
Okay.
Now if you go to the top of your scene, you see where it says device?
Yes.
Just click on the little arrow next to that, just before it. There you go. This brings up things in your scene. You can hide things and you can enhance things so you know where you're at, but obviously you can hide things if it gets too messy.
Okay.
So you want to do the same thing with your materials in your assets panel. There we go. Okay. Now background material, if you click on that, it's going to bring up some options. Now if you go to your texture where it says replace me, click on that and then find your Firestar BG.
Okay, it's here.
There we go.
Nice.
So that's it. That's your first lesson in segmentation. Now obviously when we look back at the main project, we do this 5 times, but the process is just simply repeated. We're going to have eventually 5 scenes where we're going to have 5 backgrounds and 5 of the beautiful masks that you've designed for us. But that's it. That's your first bit of segmentation. Well done.